Hi, my name's Derek Salamanca, and today we're going to the Cathedral of Junk in Austin, Texas. So the Cathedral of Junk is a tower that some guy took all this trash and made a tower out of it, and it's in his backyard. So when you roll up to the place, it's going to look like you're just showing up to somebody's house, because you are. This guy has been building it for years and years, and it's 3 stories tall. When you first get into the backyard, you're not going to realize quite how big it is. And it's going to look like just a bunch of junk laying around. You can see the tower, but it's not until you go inside that you really learn just how big the place is.
I don't even know if I can fit in here. Actually, it looks pretty scary.
Yeah. Oh, it does kind of look pretty scary now.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
This isn't a place you're going to stay very long. You're going to stay like a half hour to an hour tops.
It's gigantic. I did not think it was going to be this big. It's coolly color coded it too. It's like blue over here, orange, and the red. Green's this way.
I think with the video camera, it kind of makes it not seem as cool as it is. And I promise that it's cooler than it seems in this video, because I don't really zoom in on each individual piece of junk, but what makes it really cool is that each individual piece that you can look at and examine and be like, oh, I used to have that, and now it's part of this crazy tower. I think me and Ellie paid $10 to get in, but it's called a donation, and he brings you in this like little shed and he put money into a box, so it's about $10.
I don't think I've ever been so fascinated by junk before. Like, it's literally actual junk and it's just wonderful. So now we're walking into the backyard. Very last section of it. It's a little house, a bunch of bicycles. Alright, headed up to the 2nd story. Okay, this part seems a little bit sketchy. Just keeps going. There's definitely multiple levels. Ellie's on the 3rd floor. Just like every twist and turn or something new. It's like a little offshoot section. Okay, now it gets sketchy, so don't go any further than this. There's Ellie way up top there. Make sure you don't fool around because he's got a high security system here, you know, high tech, multiple angles and everything. Even the stairs are sweet, like embedded bike pedal tools.
Sit down to be really careful. Is it like that I was falling over?
I don't know why I keep being surprised with the junk that he's got, but there's this building in the back and it's just legitimately filled with a bunch of old like boxes of these old calculators that are they're destroyed in one way or another.
You do have to call ahead to get an appointment because you are going to somebody's house. The guy's name is Vince, and I'll put all the information that you're going to need, such as phone numbers, addresses, and a little bit more than the video doesn't show, in the description below. In the meantime, before you check out that, check out the Wanted Digest. That's also in the description below. And if you are single and you're into the outdoors, which is kind of why you're watching this video, check out lovebird.com. It's an awesome dating app for people who love the outdoors. Again, my name's Derek Salamanca. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I got a bunch more adventure videos coming out. I just don't know when.